Hey everybody, my name is Kirk Wheeler and I am the owner of Wheeler Investments and An Easier Way to Trade. Just going to get straight to the point. It has always been my dream to create income from my home, not to have to go clock in at a 9 to 5. And I'm sure you've had that same vision, guys. After COVID set in, a lot of people were leaving the workspace either because their companies were shutting down, laying off, or they simply couldn't afford to go back and forth because of prices of gas and everything else. So look, I came up on an opportunity when somebody showed me how to create money from my smartphone. Guys, we all have one of these things right here, right? A smartphone. Everybody has one of these things, a smartphone. That's what we call them, smartphones, right? This is a mini computer. Do you realize that a lot of money, there are people all over the world creating millions of dollars from home simply by learning how to operate this thing right here, a cell phone, right? I'm sure you have one. You have a smartphone, you have an Android or an iPhone, you have a tablet, you have a desktop computer. Well, listen, I'm going to introduce you to a group of like-minded individuals, those that wanted to actually create their own freedom, get themselves off of that 9 to 5, and actually create income from their cell phone. So I'm going to actually show you how to make money in the foreign exchange. What we do is we actually trade currency. We buy and sell money all day long. It sounds crazy, doesn't it? But I'm going to show you how at 8:30 in the morning I can buy some money, and then at 9:30 or 10 o'clock that same morning I can sell that same money and make a profit. And we do this over and over again all day long, every trading day. See, a lot of people ask me, hey, do you do the stock market? Are you have money in Nike and Apple and all this? And I'm like, no, because that moves too slow. I don't want to put money in a company and have to wait months or even years for it to mature on me and make money. Guys, I want my money now. My bills come every single day, right? So I want to make money every single day in the stock market. But I can't be confined to a 9 to 5 because that puts a cap on how much I can earn. See, what I'm teaching people is how to make their own paycheck simply from their cell phone. See, I'm going to show you how to turn your cell phone into an ATM. Hence the website. My cell phone is an ATM. I'm going to show you how to actually print your own money, guys. It's very simple. Buying and selling currencies all day long. See, the stock market has roughly about $95 trillion invested into it worldwide. But guys, do you know how much money is being traded in the foreign exchange every single day? $5 trillion or a little more than $5 trillion a day goes through foreign exchange. See, when we had the recession, people were scrambling. Hey, where am I going to get this paycheck from? My company's laying off. I can't pay this bill. In the foreign exchange, we missed one day maybe, but we were buying and selling currencies. Because see, here's the thing. The world will never get rid of money. Every country is always going to have something to barter with, right? They're always going to have some form of currency. So when we're buying and selling currencies all day long, I can buy something that morning and sell it 2 hours later, and buy it an hour later and sell it 2 hours later, depending on the prices, and make a profit and pay myself each and every day. It's that simple. If you want to know more, watch the video right below this one and then click the link below that video to join my Discord server, and you'll be able to talk to other people and see the results that we're having when we're showing people how to buy and sell money every single day. It's not hard. It is not hard. If you put some time into it, you will learn, and I will have you making money and buying and selling currencies today.